Hello. Good morning, my people, my brothers and sisters. Say good morning wherever you are watching this video from. I say good morning to everybody. Good afternoon. It's an afternoon day for your place. Anywhere where you day, I say good afternoon. I want use get what I want talk about today. I know they carry the talk about. I know they carry the talk for people matter. But the only thing wey be say I just believe, we Nigerians, we dey like to dey condemn ourselves. Why? I just come here this morning come ask say why Nigerians dey like to dey condemn themselves. You understand? This country where we dey so, all the old diasporas, this western world where we dey so, whether you dey work, whether you no dey work, in anything wey you dey do, anything wey make you get your document, you dey entitled to people wey dey say dey collect benefit from governor. Everybody, not only Nigeria, the whole world, whether you get document, anything wey come make you get pikin. If you like, make they do 12 hours. If you like, make they do 20 hours. Now you sabi, but the benefits wey dem dey give mothers, you understand? Everybody get entitled to am. The reason why they do this video today now because of this girl wey come out for social media say na so oyibo want carry im pikin, na so the social want carry im pikin, na so this one want carry im pikin. If you listen to that girl very well, wetin that girl talk lie many very well for inside, because somebody wey be say I dey suspect, I no go allow that person dey enter my house. You understand? I go even call people wey dey change key. If I know, if I dey suspect say somebody dey come dey open my door, I go call people wey dey open door. They'll come open and they'll change the key wey dey my house. If that person come, if you put in key, no go work again. So many things why I know say lie there waiting that girl dey talk. Not be even that one be my problem. Waiting be my problem now. The people wey dey use that thing till they do social media. All those social media presenter, fine. Everybody feel present anything you want present, but no condemn other women. No condemn other women because of say that girl want chop single mother money, because say that girl want do this one. Now I make Germany people want collect pikin for your hand. No. You get one live video where I did yesterday. I see that somebody share am for me. That's okay, man. I just click on that live video. The woman they talk say, as they deport your husband go Italy, if I follow your husband, how you want to follow your husband? Tell me how you want to follow your husband. Okay, they deport the husband. They allow she make she stay because they grant her own paper. Now she take stay. Her husband dey Italy. Italy easy. Anybody who don't pass Italy before go know how Italy be. Italy is a very good country. I not deny that one. But for document level, not be everybody get the luck to get document for Italy. Even the surety where that woman even they talk about say, why not go meet your husband? Make they do surety till they leave. My sister. Now before when surety they give money, not be now again. Surety nowadays, now oyibo no dey use money, they carry carelo again. They get this small plastic, they do like €1. Now plastic. Then they put where they carry carelo. That's surety I do one for Italy. You understand? I do one for Italy. It's not easy. Do you understand me? When you say go reach you take feed yourself, feed 4 children. Say, okay, why the girl not go work? Or you met they work because they want social media money. Now make us that for Germany. That will not be the excuse. Why would they condemn ourselves? Not only we they chop that single mother money. And not to even talk about they don't they give single mother money. Even though say you they work, you don't they work. Oh. The money that they give now just make you because you they take off those children. Now the people will get the value for women. Now I made them put that loss. Okay, as these women be, they don't feel work. They get children when they take off. You go carry pikin go school 8 o'clock. You understand? Sunday, they even get where they eat. They very far. The mother have to go carry that pikin, come house, come eat. Which time you want to do that work? If your pikin don't grow, because as you talk, say you stay for 15 years or 17 years for Italy, you just collect the passport. Now you come up for there. You not trust no Igbo. The Italy good. Why you not stay? You will not even get the passport. You even wrong. Come on, go London. The Italy good well. Why you not stay there? When you say me that poor girl, if you carry him picking, follow that woman, follow your husband, go Italy. As that girl did that Germany, fine. Now the plan on him and his husband, you know, if you interfere into family issue. Because sometimes this single mother, you come be like say, nah, people just can't take and say, now only Nigeria start on. Not be only Nigeria start on. Now circumstances, now they make people they enter single mother. Nobody chop belle full way go say, he don't want me, husband in your house. And the circumstances will meet for Europe. How many children Nigeria even they born? Nigeria people, if they born reach 4, they don't rest. Before you see Nigeria person for this country, where you get 7 children, get 10 children, you know they. You understand? All those other country, then they will get 12 children. They never work for their life. Me and one Congo woman go school for a year for France. For a year. He tell me say he get 9 children, good 9 children. He never work for his life one day. Now government take off all those 9 children. Even if first son, all these 25 years. Now government take off all those children. Those people no come out. Come they lavish their mouth. You understand? Even though say government say they collect pikin for their hand. Not be only Nigeria. Not only Nigerian people self. They know they quit they collect children from. Other people, other country. May you near them. When you near them, you go know say Nigeria. They know they even they collect our pikin. Because they know say we sabi take our pikin well. Other country. Some they will collect 5. Some they will collect 6 from their hand. If person come and say they collect children, what we need to do as a Nigerian women, as a Nigeria that we have, we're supposed to bring her together to more try get our own association. We're going to fight for all those girls. Then I will come out for social media called the lavish man. They insult all women. Say that all the women waiting for the single mother, all the women waiting for the single mother. You know what they call single mother? Person chop belle full, now one big single mother. Or you they talk, so you chop belle full. Now you come out for the Nigeria. The Nigeria good for you. Now you come out this country. You know me say we dey here. More they use teeth, they bite ourselves, they eat ourselves. I know they like all those kind of things. And they hate injustice. Anything that have injustice, they hate them. Because not be only Nigerians get started. That boy won't come out for social media that day. Now so Italian guests, the hustle die. Now so France guests, that they look for bleaching man. Now so Germany guests, if you go the party, now baby, that be the noise where they hear for them. Samos Kensiando. What is true with what do they make our Nigeria people they fool themselves waiting? If you go party children too much, you go out, they don't invite you. If you don't want to see children, not go party. Because every woman that will carry a pikin come. You understand? Before women, what it make girls come they born this time? Before women not they born, they will say they want to take care of their family for Africa. They want to do this one. They want to do this one. At the end of the year, or at the end of the day, they'll come be like laughing stock. They'll come they use touch, they look for picking, they go. They'll come this. I mean all those new girls, new generation. What would they so? Everything they get stage. You go see some this generation go still pass. Another generation, I see they come. Now I make this generation what would they so come talk say. For their life now picking first. You understand? After they don't born finish, they go also, they go find money, they do anything what they want to. Before our mothers, how the Europe they start now, our great-grandmother when we say they don't born finish for Africa, now they come Europe before. But later, you can't enter people when we say they leave their picking, whether they don't leave picking for house because they want to come take care of their children. So go get 2, 3 children for house, they will come. You can't enter that stage. That stage can't still pass. They can't enter young girls. So young girls can't see they come. So when young girl come, you get where you go hustle rich. She goes, okay, you want to start in life. If you see one serious boy, they will begin start life, begin born. So if it can't happen along the line, say 2 of them can't separate. Separation, now they make people they be single mother. And they always talk God go punish that marriage when I go there. Where I not go get peace. Now God go punish that marriage. I go leave the marriage. Now marriage wey person dey get peace. You get enjoy. Now you go come out. Now you go stay. You understand? Because the circumstances of this country, they make our boys, they maltreat woman as they talk about man, no they lay hand on me. Some man they beat their women for her. No matter every little thing to beat that girl. Every little thing to beat that girl. You expect that girl make it stay that house, make it die? Huh? Why we not fit get good justice for ourselves? Why we not fit get good justice to judge our neighbor? All presenters with the social media, all of them, not remove anyone, all the old presenters with the social media, including me, if something happen, the way they go take carry that thing, they will come twist am. Una think say what una dey do? Una dey do our girls favor. Una no dey do us favor. Una dey do the oyibo, the people wey dey collect the children. Una dey do their favor. All words wey una dey talk. Because I don watch many videos where we say our people dey cry say that they collect their children. The language wey come out for the presenter mouth, e go make the judge, if you no wan seize that pikin before, e go make am seize am. Because why? We with the social media come dey talk say the girls don dey take am. If you be African woman, when you come out any Africa, if you know say you be really African woman, come and say you never lay hand on your pikin. Come challenge this video. Come challenge me, say I never lay hand on my pikin one day. Now our way, because we believe in our way to correct children. Even Bible talk and say, spare the rod and spoil the child. What do you use and mean? You know something they buy and sweet, make it spoil now. No. Give her when pikin do something wey not good, give her a toy. Make her understand that this thing we do so not do am well. So that tomorrow that pikin no go there. When they say all those oyibo children for outside, 10 years they don't smoke. Now that kind of life we want for our children. 10 years girl, you don't sleep around. The oyibo children. Una go just say maybe they know they do that they kiss. Who don't kiss? Before you kiss man, before you kiss reach get where you go kiss reach. You don't know say that thing you go do like this. You don't know. What do you know about them? You know me say I deal with oyibo, man, they condemn my fellow black. If you like, may they give you passport. If you like, may they give you anything. As far as your color remain the same thing as my color, my dear. Anything will make you make film, that they collect that passport for your hand, throw you back to that Cairo, you go stay there. For us to bring it together, the best doctor for this world than Nigeria that day. The Nigerian man, the best student for the whole world than Nigeria. Nigerians can tolerate anything for them to succeed in life. Why are we condemning ourselves? Why? We always look the bad side. Nobody look the good side. Woman will carry pikin for 9 months. While you be woman. You say you not go pity and say they collect that pikin for your hand. I pity you people. The kind foundation one they lay so. Una feel say nobody they wash una. Judge where they not causing now really judge where they judge for the whole Europe country. That they watch everything and our language that they interpret. Not to talk and say we they use English where we say they don't already know. They don't already know English before we started they speak English. Then they don't know English before we start. Then they don't know. They get all the translation. They get all the Google translation. Many language people will even make their language come social media that they try to translate them. No language when they translate. If any of our people cry, come and say they carry pikin. Best way see that contact where bring am. Una go try to contact her. More will know. Everybody go put head together. More will know really what happen. How we go to help her? How we go to fight? All what una they do na money. If person now that they spoil Nigeria till today. If person just cry, come this one happen. Okay, it may you take 10,000, they use that help you. May you take 5,000, they use that help you. You believe you say that 5,000 go bring that pikin come out? Yeah. Now this country, me I believe that because no say if you like you get money, they take lawyer as you want. If they tell you say they not go give you that pikin, they won't give you that pikin. Why would they join oyibo people? They kill our people. Even though say the girl cry come out, say yes, he don't first suspect her, he don't do this one. Fine. Not be everybody know how to present matter. Not be everybody know how to talk matter the way now the way if you listen to that video where you go no say the whole black person they tell us say talk and they talk like it go sweet. No. You don't need to come paint matter for social media. And people always say they can't listen to the matter. They not go use their number 6. They go just they conclude. And they go just say all the single mother, where they do the single mother, Mona try, Mona go they work. My dear, if you like me, they work. Me, I they work. As I they work, government see they support me for my house rent. Me would they tell ourselves the truth. If you like me, you work. Not only the salary wey dem dey pay you, they go comot. Not only the salary, but the support wey dem supposed to give, where the country say it belong to everybody. If you like me, you dey work. If you like me, you dey London. If you like me, you dey Canada. If you like me, you dey anywhere. Even that same Italy too. If you dey work, you still get benefits where you go see they collect. Based on say you get children. Now when you no get children, then this benefit no dey come. If you dey single, you no get children. And then now they really know who they work for this Europe. If you really be single woman, and they praise all those single lady. All the single lady, and they praise them. Where be say they know they work, they work, they not get husband, they not get children. Now all those people fit tell you how Europe system be. Now all those people they work, where be say now only then they pay their bills. Now only then they pay their house rent. Government not they join now. If you not get children for Europe, government not they help you pay bill. At all, you are on your own. So anything will make you get children, based on say those children, they go school. The mother, now they suffer put. You understand? The mother, you go wake up in the morning. If every children wey yourself, look the background of the mother. Every successful child, the mother they wake up 6 o'clock to bath that pikin, take and go school. If your Igbo really love the child, why they not carry that pikin come? Why they not commode the pikin for your hand the time when you bring her from Libya? If not the judge case, if not they kick against somebody, not be when pikin don't grow, don't reach 10 years. Now when we say no work again, everywhere don't pepper soup. If you send us say even pikin of 10 years, if you even cook for the younger one for house. And now you want to collect it. Okay, when I say make the girl go work, the senior one who is supposed to take care of the junior one, now they collect so. How you want to work? Huh? How you want to work? The time when the poor girl they suffer for the children, or you both not say I make the collect them. The time when that baby they shit for pants, you go shit for her body, or you both not say I make the collect them. Me I guess somebody will say if you carry your pikin go where they day, if they shit, if they really be say they don't like you, they go tie the pikin with the shit, can't give you may you change them. They not go change. Or you they want may we be their slave. Even we will be black, we see they sell ourselves to them. Somebody feel they help you. Your own mind, you feel in a good mind. You understand? Maybe you suspect and say, you get what this woman they do. But the way you go see come back, will they offend each other? Will see beg each other, say, it don't do. This is the way they try to think, say, I don't want to do. I know they do one. I know go do one to you. The girl go free in mind. You understand? He free in mind for the second time. Now the woman take make am piam. When person they talk, una go listen to the video for 8 hours. Then una go hear one thing. Now that one thing una go take judge. When Nigerians go change, when we go bring her together, when I they always talk as anything will make us not come together like this. Nigeria, hey, the land of Nigeria is blessed. The land of Nigeria is a blessed land. But now the people who they put for that land, the people who they put for that land, some of them, not be all, some of them, the people who they put for that land, they don't know the reason why we got put there for that land. If matter you enter matter, the way you enter, you think now all single mother they're stupid. They open their egusi for small boys they enter. Now why your face say all the old single mother they be the same thing? It is time, Nigeria lawyer, Nigeria doctor, Nigeria judge, wherever you dey, whether in America you dey, whether in Canada you dey, anywhere where you dey, if you hear this video, it is time. May you use that work where God give you to help others. If God give you power to come up, God don't give you, may you can't use and to oppress others. God give you, may you to help others. If you be lawyer, may you come out, come fight for your people. We don't know they wait for only governor. Governor will not be president will never feel defend himself. We need to put her together. Bible tell woman and man say if una marry, they together una go become waiting one. Now so Nigerians go take better until we put her together. Say man, this the way they happen. So enough is enough. Or I don't follow many other country people play. I know say many of them when I know more than 10 they get association where they fight for them. They get association. If we Nigerians get association, all those girls, all those children, when they come, they cry for social media, they not go come and come cry for social media. Now the association they go call. Then the association will take over the case. Even this country, gone, even the Oyibo people, they even get association where they fight for women rights. I do the video where I do last. My second episode where I talk and say we would there under my country, we dey fight for our right. When we say we don't fit fight for our own right. Eh? They don't continue now. Our children now they come they collect children. We don't know anything. You know the time, now the thing say wetin una dey talk for social media. And na so the woman not take care of the children. If you know say not fit take care of your pikin, make you not born. If you know say not fit take care of this one, my dear, which woman tell this word wey no sabi take care of pikin? Wey that woman not be drunker, e no be smoker, e no be anything. You go just carry pikin come, you go just dey beat am. Eh? You just dey beat am anyhow without you not do anything. Sometimes if pikin do something because of that anger, you fit hit am where you no suppose to hit am. Wound go come out. For this country, Oyibo, me I believe say na only Nigerians na I fear the letter they give am 2 rooms. Wey you know say na 4 children you get, you give am 2 rooms. Other Arab countries, they no dey try am. They'll tell you say na 3 children they get. We now will go accept and say okay, based on say where would they come from? We need a place to lay our head. We go accept them. Anything will make you accept nonsense, my dear. And that nonsense they will they treat you, they go. You understand me? So no, they talk say that so Oyibo people they're not good. They're not good. You see that their country. Why you not go back to Nigeria? You don't trust them. You stay with them for 17 years. You don't trust them. Blah blah blah. What are you saying? Even in Nigeria, nowhere batting not there. Nowhere batting not there. Batting there everywhere. No, if you jump the bad one, not mean that's all of them be. To discourage others where they come. All your platform people where they watch. I even write down yesterday say this way they talk, not they talk. No, don't say Oyibo no good or this guy supposed to go to a country. One time inside they distract them. Why I not go distract you? Because no one hear good news. No one hear the good thing where they. It is time when Nigeria gets your own association where go they help people. Not be only Nigeria they travel. Not be only Nigerians they this world. Not be only Nigeria. Why be anything what Nigeria do? Even things we don't pass before. Our Nigeria presenter they'll come bring her come put new date. What if you na problem? Just because una want get viewer, because una want get money for social media, how much? 700 euro what they pay? Eh? Una go what is get one video where they say for me. This is not pass for Italy. It don't pass. This boy can't cut all the whole video, can't cut all the picture. What it already pass. People where they Italy, they don't see say that video don't pass, don't take. But they can't bring her, they can't put present dates. To tell the whole world how Nigeria be. Because you do social media. If you do presenter for social media, if you don't get into what you want to offer, enter house. So because they destroy Nigeria name. I'm a Nigerian woman and I'm proud of my country. If you don't know what you do for social media, not so other people then they. Social media now where to group people together and make your country be better. Social media now where you go get friends say now this one wetin I want make we do for our country. People will go gather, we go put money together, we go put head together, bring idea together, make that thing grow. But all waiting our people they present for social media, either na Ogun or Ayelala or nonsense. They can't give her a name, swagger. It is time for you people to change. See that one that day now. You don't they cry. I no fit enter Benin again. I no fit enter Benin again. The time where they sweet you. You they insult here and there. It matter. You know, you see matter. When I go just paint and black and white, put sugar. All the people they follow that they watch and they go, they hear you, mama. Who mama you? Who give you the mama name? Now you born me. If pastor matter come, Nigeria people they go, daddy, anybody saying they do word of God. the boy become out as a preacher or as an evangelist. Our people call you change the name, call the daddy am. They don't daddy and finish now. The man will come find what he go take make am be daddy now. Then you can now come the worship one instead of for you to worship God. Now go see truth. Truth. No fit talk am. He give that lady wey come collect the child, so he give am second chance. Because if you see person wey dey help you, you say that from the one, this woman dey help me. Okay, I suspect am. He still come beg me, say, okay, I beg, I no go do this thing again. For your mind, the good mind wey you get, you no get bad mind for am. You understand? But you don't know his own intention. Only that woman be social wey dey help people. No be say they create their own social, make they monitor us. Why we not create our own social? Well, it's very easy. Now just to bring, if like now 4 people say we don't gather together, gather association. So okay, maybe they do this thing. Now you also gather our document, go perfectu, go declare them. Finish. Go declare them. Now what we want to do for our people be this one. You understand? If we not get lawyer and miss of una, that lawyer go present everything. So we want more they defend our people for court. We want more they do this one for our people for court. None of the Nigeria they come out they talk of say they want to. If not you hear anything from the people, una go condemn her. That condemn one they condemn. Now even they give the people power. Una no. I mean now this they know they watch the video. If una no see who talk to una, many people they will go start the talk to una now. If una no see who talk to una, not be all single mother they useless. Not be all single mother not get they don't know the reason why they do single mother. Now all your single mother, now just they talk to show without your mouth, you never even brush. Mona take una time, God will there even they watch all of una. Because now when they presenter, all those presenter for social media, now what you now they talk, now until they give Oyibo power. Me they deal with all Nigeria like that. So when I deal with them, see their people that they can't sell them for social media. Their people even talk, even their people even confirm and say the girl not sabi take care of picking where. What if you have problem? For God's sake, for crying out loud, what if you have problem? You go meet the girl for inside house, you follow and you know whether it's a bit take care of the children, not a bit take care of children. Huh? Some children they talk what you don't even tell, what you don't even send them. It do bad, you hit them, you go talk say you beat them. Because you don't want me you touch them at all. Anything way they do, they clap hand. Some mothers say that they regret their pikin. They call police for them every day. They never bought that pikin well. All of them call the clap for social media. Not mine now. Nah, social now. It's a good mother money. Now they hungry and to come chop. Is that how to judge case? Even you where they work. May you bring your all payment where they pay. Whether government not they help you. Whether government not they help you. Nobody will government not they help. If you like me, they work. If you like me, you get shop. If you like me, you get anything. Government say they assist. Best way you get children, even the white people, they know the circumstances where it run down. When you don't get children, if you go look for work, they'll ask you, okay, you get children, you get means to take care of the children, you get person where they can't carry the children. Even though you can't go to school, don't say school, they get time. I don't forget children, I go start work for 6 o'clock. I need to drop them for school first. Look for work where we say you go fit that time. Even though it's not 4 hours that they do, but the rest who they pay, not be government they support them. The rest be if they want 4 hours, how much they pay for 4 hours? The whole Europe, not only Italy and Portugal, they pay low money for hour. Not only that 2 countries, the rest of Europe that they pay 10 euro per hour. 10 euro now that they go take tax come out. And then they go take everything come out. If they do 4 hours, calculate them. Your 4 hours for a month. The rest money, who they support them for you? As they don't say, my sister, they do 6 hours. The rest hours, who they support, who they complete them. Not the government, they complete them. What if you not problem? Because if they do 2 hours, they do 3 hours. Who just new start work today? Not let person hear what they get. If I see crash, if I see school, where it fits to the time when I go work, yes, I go work. And normal, woman not even supposed to work. If not because of the country where it can't spoil. Woman supposed to take care of children for house. Because the work wey woman dey pass through for house is enough. It's enough. Not to call her another body join am again. You go bath children. You go do everything. You go give them food. Before you know, they don't dark. Yeah, why you not going for work? If God give you opportunity, not me say make they use until they intimidate others. More than they use until they intimidate others. I use the verse so. And the verse. Mona share this video. May reach that woman hand. Make it go rewatch in live video we do yesterday. May go rewatch. Not be all single mother be that stupid, eh? I just want to tell you, not be all single mother they stupid. They don't know what they do, eh? And not be all Nigerians. You go they throw them out. Italy good. Why you not stay there? You don't collect a passport. You go stay for London. Why you not stay for the Italy? You good where? Why you not stay there? The girl for follow your husband go London. Why follow and go Italy? Why not go follow and go Italy? You never see person they push sugar for a man. Go now sort in the fine. What if you na problem Nigerian women? Nigerian men. What if you na problem? The constitution they call they insult women because they do single mother. No one put them for that show of that single mother. If you are a man, may you stop for your responsibility. Go tell government say even the money will not give my woman again. I go take off the woman. Why you not go do one? Why everybody come they blame the women? They blame women. They blame women. I know they side women where they sleep around. They try to ask that get it on. Now that 4 children. Now the boy now he born out for. Now I am the boy from Nigeria come here. They deport the boy to Italy. Fine. If there's anything I go feed you, I go concentrate. If I don't take care of my children, finish. I don't fit as I get 4 children. Now I go carry work, join now. It's not possible. If I get the power to do, I go do. If I don't get the power, I go stay house. Not be one idiot to come and call them and say, may I go work. You know whether the new give a document? Huh? It tells okay, they don't already give her, they don't grant in document. Fine. You don't tell you the date. You don't know whether the new giver. It also work easy. Or maybe they already bought this the last one we get for hand before they can give a document. You don't know. You just the judge and they insult all single woman, all single mother. Wanna dey careful, eh? I be woman. I know they abuse fellow woman like me. Before I go even talk, I go reason now. I go watch the video 20 times, repeat and repeat and repeat. I go pick reason out of it before I go talk. The poor guy saying suspect the woman. Fine. If they suspect her, okay. Maybe the woman can come out hopefully. For instance, and say, sorry, my sister, this is why they do no good. I'm not supposed to do it. Not be my right to do all those things. Get the way you go take beg person. Person like me. If you do me bad, you beg me say sorry. That moment don't finish your man. Even though say you not even beg me self. As I just talk and come and say don't finish. Not be everybody get mind where be say you go your time and say this woman not go talk to am again. If you remember where rain beat you, see remember where sun rain beat you. Remember where sun for still dry you. So now both sides. Maybe right from the one and that woman even help am make sure say you can't get that document. You don't know. So you get when you go for the person, the children go come dey your eye. Based on say maybe the woman now he not feel born. He don't feel come out hopefully say I don't want for me. He go find way go take collect am. You understand? You still blame the girl small. Not be say you also say all the whole single mother. Now this one good for now. No. Don't say not right. Not believe Nigeria they do single mother. My people. Not believe Nigerians. Now so some go one even go talk now because say I born 4. Now I'm my mate. Now my friend wants to born 4. Now you start am. You don't come meet people they born 4 before you born am. Eh? If na you drink 1 bottle or I don't know what they take. When we say not go make una head sit down. Reason. All the whole presenter for social media. Wetin be una problem? And that Jesus will come. And so they carry am. Giri. They don't judge the girl. They still come back to the girl. Amwebo, our people use a parable say, Amwebo gboma, Amona gboma, oh na, oh kagbe. Mona stop to the narrate on herself, Nigerians. Mona stop to the narrate on herself. This video what I do, so I'm not doing for only myself. I do it for everybody. If If accusation too much, lie go come full inside. You understand? Lie go come full inside. See that one, they don't cry for social media, then nothing go Benin again. Because of waiting. See that way they do, when they say in the rain. You don't get today, no say you go old. You understand? If you dey younger, you no go know say you go old. Now, but now when that old age go come, now you can't regret. Say, if I know I for do one like that, for do one like this. Time is too late. So it is time for us to change our topic on social media. It is time for Nigerians to change their topic for social media. We don't change our topic because now they help una mouth. Now you go help that country. Now una mouth, now you go still destroy that country. If you're not careful for what the Bible talk and say life and death lies in our tongue. You see this one? What they call our tongue? Now life and death now day. What we use our mouth to talk? Bible say whatsoever you say in your mouth, so shall it be. Mona, stop. Now so this one go bring this one picking come. You go bring that picking come. You go bring this one picking come. You go bring this one they come join them together. Waiting. What is a problem? If you really get work, now wait also be present for social media. Now so you dey work then me hour. If you really dey work that hour where you can't claim, say you dey work, which time you go get? Quand they post video 3 times in a day. I raise on for now. I beg my rest because I don't talk my own. Who go take me take? I want to make this video reach where all the old lawyer, wherever the devil doesn't Nigeria, anywhere that they, how we go take put head together till they help our people for this country. Because now only Nigeria that go kill, nobody go ask. Now only Nigeria that go this one, nobody go ask. Even we with the masses, whenever people are wired together, now they wait for people who be the even one mona grow, come help una. Mona your wait, sit down, they wait. Now say sit down, look, that be dog name. So say now the fattest dog. Now the patient dog that they eat the fattest bone and lie. Now lie. Now bone wey not know the night go eat. Patient's dog. People use a parable. Say patient's dog now they eat the fattest bone. Now lie. If you want eat dog not or you go really train the bone, chew. When not come they not let you chew again, now you go throw away. Now be what they throw away for Nigerians. Some of Nigerians. We be saying no one stand for now right. If I be lawyer, if I be judge, I know how I go take. I go even sit down, sleep off. Sleep, say, my people, they suffer. And I did this work. Why I not feel use and help them? Why? You dey say that now only your grace. Now you today go that school where you can't be lawyer. No, now all Nigeria grace. Because why God bring what do they call now? Down there where they throw for a lion zone. When they throw down there for lion zone, lion not eat am, but the people where Daniel they take care of the people where Daniel create as a social. Those people were praying behind for Daniel. I made that lion not eat Daniel. Why you will be the judge, not come out? You will be the lawyer. Good lawyer, will not be one where they take bribe. Why you not come out? Come say, I go volunteer to the help these our people for this case. Our people, they suffer for this country. All country now, Nigeria people that suffer pass. It is time for we to sleep. Sleep on top of her. Reason say how we go to the help our people. Instead of to they condemn them, we want to find how we go to the help them. We are not condemn them. If you know road, teach others. You hear me so? Bye.